Magic. It's the magic of baking soda. 1. Clogged drain in the sink. Pour in detergent, baking soda, and white vinegar. Let them reflect for a moment. Dissolve instantly. Obligatory goodbye to clogs. 2. The bottom of the pot at home burns black. Add table salt to the sink. Baking soda, white vinegar, Sprite. Stir in the detergent. React for a while. Soak the pan for 10 minutes. Wipe back and forth with a rag. Another great pan for 100 years. 3. Toothpaste, baking soda, dishwashing liquid. Pour white vinegar into a spray bottle. Then spray on the grease. A few swipes and it's clean. This way, the kitchen comes out clean and hygienic. No grease stains. 4. Clogged sink. Add white wine to the water, baking soda, and white vinegar.